Alright guys, we are headed to go get some new chickens.
Some layers.
And a Rhode Island bred rooster. We had one that passed away last year, Rudy. And so we're excited. We're down to just a few birds now, so we need to go pick them up. So we're headed that way.
And the reason we do that, we don't, it's popular to raise them from chicks, but
Which we've done.
It's good to do once, you know, you'll like it, but it takes almost a year to raise them up before they start laying eggs, and you got to buy all the feed, you got to regulate their temperature when they're babies, and so we can go get layers that are just starting to lay for that are about a year old for $5, and that's what we suggest doing. It's a lot easier, and we do that with guineas too, but guineas are harder to find. They're about impossible to catch. They're wild birds.
They are. I've held a few guineas, but we
gotta raise them from keys.
Challenge, yeah. So,
but we're off to get our layers.
All right, so we got our new friends. Okay, they're gonna get to the farm and they're gonna.
Don't mind them rolling the window down.
Eat them. Okay.
They smell nice.
They're good.
Highland brown layers back there, and the Rhode Island red rooster.
Yes, and
What do you want to name him?
I don't know. What do you want to name him? He is so sweet. George of the farm. We had a Rudy. Rufus. Wow, we'll see.
Rudis.
All right, so we just got the cage out and escorted our new chickens, most all of them, into the cage with our new rooster. We're just gonna leave them in the habitat right now until right before dark when our other birds go in, and just to let them kind of get used to the place. And Squatty. Squatty is, we've had her, this is her second year here, and she is just talking all about these new birds being here. Yes, and that's our new rooster. Yay, we're trying to figure out a name for him. Shyla, she's just been checking it out. She went to the car, looked at them all, and said hello. She's our mama dog. Then we have one little bird here that she was kind of bleeding a little bit. They were picking on her, and so we're just gonna keep her in this cage right now while she kind of recoups a little bit. Right before dark, we'll probably put her in the main habitat because it's supposed to rain tonight. Bless her heart. And there's our guineas. Tonight we'll let our two guineas and our two chickens in there, our seniors, with them in the habitat. All right, I'm getting ready to let our two guineas, which are, I want to say about 4 years old. And our other chickens here, that's our senior right there. She's about 4 years old too. Okay, y'all, and I'm gonna let them in. Ba-ba-ba, come here. Come here. Ba-ba-ba-ba. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. You go in? Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. You go in? You wanna go in and see it? Come on. Ba-ba-ba. No, stay in there. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. Come here. Be nice. No, stop. No, you stop with that. Y'all be nice now. Okay? I think we might name our rooster Rico. What do you think? Okay, so the guineas are in now. Yes, our new little friends. They'll be filling out with feathers and their combs turning red before we know it. Probably within the next couple weeks. I know, baby. She does not know what to think about this. Yes, I know. And our senior in the back is just like, okay, well, whatever. Why can't everybody just get along? They're doing good though. There's Miss Shy. She watches the chickens and the guineas. Oh babies, I know. It's gonna be okay though. Tomorrow you'll be free ranging, getting bugs. Cause I know. Getting some vitamin D. Okay, you need some sunshine. Okay, this one's like, I am tired. I just want to go to sleep. Finally a break. I just need to rest. Finally some peace and quiet. Alright, everybody is settling in. And now I'm gonna get this other one, the one that was a little bit injured earlier. She's doing better, and I'm gonna take her out and put her in the main habitat. And in the morning, I'll get up early and let them all out. So that way they're not cooped up in the main coop. They can get out and free range. A lot of times if you just let them go and free range, they're so much happier. If you have them cooped up in a little space, they're not gonna be as happy. Alright, they're all in. There's our little sweet girl. Just took her out of the other habitat. And they've all got water and a little snack for the morning. And they're ready to sleep. Night-night, friends. Night-night. They're in. They're good. I had to chase the injured one just a little bit to get her in the coop, but alright, so it's the morning and it's raining. I'm gonna let our friends out. Unplug their fans. Hi babies. How you doing? Did you make it through the night? Hello, family. Are you doing good? Rico's out and about. Yes. Hi, baby. How you doing? What's up, man? Yeah, you gonna go walk around? Yeah. The senior, she said, it's been an eventful morning. Yeah. Hi, friends. Looks like there's our one chicken in the very back over there, the one that had her little wound yesterday. She's looking good. She's looking comfortable. She said, I'm just going to stay here. Just going to rest. Tired. Recouping. Get it? Recouping. Okay, babies. I love you. I'll come check on you a little later. Have fun, okay? I know it's raining, but you might be able to go have a little stroll. What you doing, Frederico? Frederico, the rooster. What you think about all this? He said, maybe I'll go in the doghouse. Sweet. Oh, Squatty, she just got away. She said, I'm out of here. But she's not squawking as much as she was last night. Oh, it's later in the day now. Won't be long and it'll be getting dark. Everybody just hanging out. Hey, girl. What's she doing? Hi, baby.
Let me feel you by my side. In the middle
Fresh air and grass.
of nowhere, we can
And our other little baby in there. I bet that's the one that had the little wound on her.
our worlds die.
Yeah, and I checked some eggs earlier. We had 4 eggs from our new chickens. And one from one of our seniors.
The sun shines down round sea.
Shyla, Shyla, she good girl.
That could reach out here.
Happy.
Because a rooster.
Alright, so this is day 3. How is everybody? Is it time to come out?
Would you carry me to your car? Driving to the county line.
Just like the senior. Picked one of the little ones for a minute. Other than that, it looks pretty peaceful in here. Oh, we got 1 egg. This one's a fake. Ugh. Clean out that box. Y'all been sleeping in here. How you doing? Oh, baby. You doing okay? Okay. I'm gonna get you some fresh water and put some fresh bedding in your egg laying box. Y'all have a great day, okay? If you want to add a little spice to your farm life, you definitely should get some birds. The cool thing about free ranging though is that they will run all over the farm and get lots of bugs. Well, hi Rico. Good morning. Good morning, seniors. How y'all doing? They are so happy to be out running around. Before you know it, they'll have lots of beautiful feathers and red combs. Continuing the first initial video, they've been free ranging, running around the farm for a month and a half now. And as you can see, they all are healthy and they've gotten their feathers in. Free ranging is really a nice thing. If you have the space for them to do it, if you can, let your chickens free range. If you have a good farm dog like Miss Shai. Yeah, oh baby. It's just a big blessing. So anywho, wanted to do an update there just to kind of show you the benefits of free ranging. Alright, God bless you guys. Love you. Peace.
Sing a song for peace. Peace over mighty, over killing, over all. There's suffering in the world, stealing time. Injustice, pride, make the invisible seen. Set the invisible free. Sing a song for peace.